In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp to Excel. This process will help you transfer your data from ClickUp into a more universally accessible format, giving you the flexibility to manipulate, analyze, and share your information with ease. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser of choice and go to clickup.com. Once the main page loads, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed, but assuming you already have everything set up, enter your details and hit login. Now that you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu. From there, locate and select Settings. This will open up a new page with various options that give you control over your account settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Imports/Exports. This section is crucial as it provides the tools necessary for transferring data in and out of ClickUp. Click on it, and you'll move to the page dedicated to importing and exporting options. Next, you'll see tabs for importing and exporting. Navigate to the Export tab. Once there, you'll notice a variety of export options, including formats available for download. Focus on the CSV format, as this is the one we will use to create an Excel spreadsheet. CSV, or comma separated values, is a highly compatible format that works seamlessly with Excel, enabling the data to be arranged neatly in rows and columns once opened in Excel. Before starting the export, decide which of your workspaces you want to export. If you're working with multiple workspaces, make sure you've selected the correct one, as this will ensure you're exporting the relevant information. Now, you're all set to begin the data transfer. Simply click on Start Export to initiate the export process. Be aware that exporting can take some time, depending on the size of the workspace you're exporting. Larger datasets will take longer, so ensure you have a stable internet connection and little patience. Once the export has completed, a download link will appear. Click on Download Export to save the CSV file to your device. Remember the file's location on your drive for easy access later. After downloading, open the CSV file using Excel. You'll find all your ClickUp data neatly imported, ready for you to organize, analyze, and manipulate as needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily export your ClickUp data to Excel, opening up a world of possibilities for managing and analyzing your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.